to another video. Today we have this awesome deal, 2-tool combo kit plus a free tool. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to my man Philly Fixed. Go ahead and check out his channel. He's the one that posted this first. I'm just posting this for my subscribers. Like I said, go check him out. He's the one that had these. Alright, so $199. It's a good deal because you're getting 2 brushless tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. So that's the bag right there. Pretty nice bag. You guys know DeWalt's quality. So these are brushless tools. This is a hammer drill, as you guys see here. So hammer function for light masonry applications. That's the bag there, I guess. So wow, it's a really nice bag. Yeah, that's a really nice bag. So definitely check it out. Let's look at the free tools. So by the way, I'll leave the link down below in the description section. You click on the free tool. Voila, guys. You guys could choose the reciprocating saw, cordless reciprocating saw, battery not included. You guys could choose the 20 volt max job site fan, or you guys could choose the brushless cordless random orbital sander bag. It says, oh yeah, with the bag. Or you can choose the cordless brushless 20 volt max speed oscillating multi toolkit. Or you guys could choose the XR brushless cordless sheet sander, no case included. Free item will be reflected in cart. Expires June 23. So there you go, guys. You guys got up to June 23 to get this deal. I would suggest you guys jump in it now, because the selection is going to get narrower, and there's not going to be, and the other good tools are going to go away. They're going to fly off the shelves. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.